Did you know that 3 young men once chose to die rather than bow down for just 30 seconds? Dear Shadrach, I know what it's like to stand alone when everyone else is bending. You were a government official with everything to lose. Your career, your friends, your life, all hanging by a thread. But when that golden statue went up and the music played, you didn't even hesitate. While thousands fell to their knees, you stood tall. The king threatened you with fire. You could have whispered a quick prayer and just gone through the motions. Nobody would have blamed you. Instead, you said something that still gives me chills. Our God will save us, but even if he doesn't, we still won't bow. That's faith that doesn't depend on outcomes. And when they threw you in that furnace, Jesus showed up. He walked through the flames with you. You came out without even smelling like smoke. Your greatest stand became your greatest breakthrough. Thanks for showing me that sometimes the fire is exactly where we meet God.